Hey there, boys and girls. Mr. Riedel here. Just want to talk to you about week 5 coming up and what you guys are supposed to do this week. So here we go. We're in OneNote right now, and I'm just going to go through your checklist first, kind of talk you through it, and then show you what we got on Schoology. So we do have a test this week. Just a heads up. So first of all, distance learning does not begin this week. It is actually it's begun already. But it's going to take Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, Friday. Wednesday, you guys are on your own. So Monday, okay, we've got a live class on Teams, 9, 10:30, 12, or 2, depending on what time your class is. Now, I know for Mr. Riedel's class and Mrs. Keefe's class, both myself and Mrs. Keefe, we have changed our office links. Okay, those Teams links, now we have individual links for each class. So when you're logging in, excuse me. When you're logging in, make sure you're clicking on the right link, otherwise we're just not going to see you. Okay, so make sure you're on the right time, right link. Okay, so on Monday, we're going to do a week 5 overview video. That's what this is. I want you guys to get it done. Kind of what we'll do on Monday online too, and then we're going to talk about the graph analysis. Go through that, go through last week's, go through this week's. Okay. Tuesday, again, log in, and then you're going to study for an ecology test. Okay, we've got a unit test this week. There's a link that I'm going to show you guys in Schoology to help you study. We're going to do some studying together on Tuesday as well and get through that. Okay, so you guys can do well on Wednesday. So Wednesday is your full distance learning day. Okay, no live classes, and you need to complete your ecology test. I'm going to post that for you guys on Wednesday morning, and you guys will have a chance to complete that. Okay. Thursday, again, log into your live Teams, complete the notes for Tools of a Scientist. I'm going to show you guys what that is here in a second, and then, excuse me, read through the information for notes and precise and accurate measurement. I'm going to show you guys what I want with that here in just a second too. And then finally on Friday, more live Teams, and then the processing activity 2, conversions and measuring accurately. Okay, boys and girls, for this week, we are talking about lab equipment, and we are talking about measurement. So you need to have a ruler at home with centimeters on it. If you do not, you have 2 choices. You can go out and buy one. They're like $1 at the dollar store, or you can go to excuse me, I got a little catch in my throat. Or you can go to the school on Monday or Tuesday from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. and pick up a ruler. I have them in the front office ready to go for you guys. Okay, again, rulers up there. Anyone that's seeing this can go and grab those. Okay, but you will need a ruler, or it's going to be very, very hard to complete everything this week. Must be metric ruler. Okay, so let's take a look at OneNote first. Graph analysis. Okay, I got a little video here I want you to watch. Watch that video. It's like a minute and a half long. It's not long at all. Okay, and then you're going to take a look at these 6 questions and answer the graph. Boys and girls, if you put the time into these graphs, they shouldn't be overly difficult. If you have troubles with them, you ask. Okay, please ask. For your first set of notes, okay, you're going to notice as you scroll through this page, there are not a lot of notes. Okay, however, there is a whole lot of videos that I want you to watch. They're not super long, but you need to watch this video here on how to take accurate measurements. Watch this video on how to measure mass, video on how to measure length, and then 2 videos on how to find the volume on something. Okay, and then your notes are going to be right up here. Okay, like I said, it's not a ton of notes. It's mostly just watching videos, but they're going to come in handy later in the week, and you're going to need to know how to do this stuff, guys. If you don't know how to do it, you're going to get lost. So just watch the videos, okay? The second thing we're going to do for Tuesday is the Tools of a Scientist. And basically, guys, I want you to find out what these things are. I got a bunch of tools on here. I want you to go on the internet and figure out what they are and post a picture of what they are. Okay? Finally, the processing activity on Friday. You got a couple things to do here. Okay, Friday I'm going to help you walk through on how to do metric conversions. Mrs. Gaunt is showing you how to do it here. I've actually posted another video on how to do this on Schoology, so there's multiple sources for you, plus me on Friday showing you how to do this stuff. But you're going to need to convert metric conversions. Okay, I got 12 questions there for you to go through. Okay. Then for processing activity 2, I got a little video here, or a little audio clip. Just listen to it again. It's only a minute or so long. And then read through your directions. Sometimes you're going to need to estimate. Sometimes you're going to actually need to measure things. Okay, so you're going to find these things around your house, and you're going to take an estimate. How long do you think it is in centimeters? Guys, I don't care if you're way, way off. Man, we don't deal with centimeters much, so your estimate I'm not really worried about. You just put how long do you think it is in centimeters? Okay, take a look at your ruler, take a look at whatever you're measuring, and then give me the actual measurement as well. Okay? Okay? Really can't get this wrong. Okay? And then down here, I want you to go around your house and find something that is about this long. So something that you think is about 4 centimeters long. Okay, I'm just sitting here. I've got a little rubber band right here that just happens to be sitting next to me. And I'm going to pretend that I think this is 4 centimeters long. Okay, I think that's about 4 centimeters. I'm going to write down purple rubber band sitting next to me. Then I'm going to actually go ahead and measure this thing. Okay, again, if it's not 4 centimeters long, it's not the end of the world, guys. You were wrong. So what? Okay, this is the part I'm worried about, the accurate measurement. Show me that you know what you're doing and show me how long that thing really is. If you get these all perfect and these all perfect over here, I'm going to question you that you actually look for these things that much and you're actually measuring them. So just guys, find something that you think is about 4 centimeters. Find something that you think is about 16 centimeters. Find something that you think is about half a meter stick. Okay, and then go ahead and measure these things out and check it out. See if you're right or you're wrong. Okay, that's the only way we're going to know. Okay, so and then finally I want to show you our Schoology page. We are on week 5 here. Okay, here's that metric conversions video I showed you. Miss Gaunt has one. This is another one, just a different way to do it. Here's your unit test that you're going to be seeing on Wednesday. You won't see it until Wednesday. I'm not going to take it off. There's a Nearpod if you want to go through it. And then on Tuesday, like I said, we're going to have a study time in class together, but there's also going to be a Kahoot study link that you can do on your own time to get it done, to study on your own. So this is a link for you guys to do that as well. So as always, if you have questions, shoot your teacher an email. Otherwise, boys and girls, shoot it. This first week went really well, and I'm expecting the second week to go really well too. So guys, we only got like 2 more weeks of this, and then we're supposed to be going back to school. So fingers crossed we'll get back then, and we'll be back together. So take care, boys and girls.